I'm starting number 2, IV. Question number IV. 3I already solved in the before session. Now I am solving IV. Now IV. That integration of IV is sin x by cos qx dx. Sin x by cos qx dx. Put z. Put z, that is the denominator, taking z. So taking not cos q, taking cos x, in this case cos x, taking cos x as z, dz is equal to minus of sin x dx, because cos x, the derivative of cos x is minus of sin x dx. So only sin x dx achi, that is minus of dz is equal to sin x dx. You put the value of sin x dx is equal to minus, taking outside, dz by zq. That means minus of z to the power minus 3 dz. Z to the power minus 3 dz is equal to minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1. That is equal to minus of z to the power minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus c. Minus minus of plus, that is equal to 1 by 2 z square. Minus z to the power minus 2 going to z square in denominator sides plus c. Put the value of z. The value of z is equal to cos x. That is 1 by 2 cos square x plus c. That's your answer. You look again, I am discussing about it, dz by zq, because sin x dx hochi minus dz by zq, cos x z thila, cos x q, that is zq. Z in below power going to upper side, that is minus 3. When integrated, z minus 3 plus 1 equal minus 2 divided by minus 2. That is minus, that minus and that minus going plus. So z to the power minus 2 going 1 by z square, because minus 2 is in upper sides, they are going to denominator sides, 1 by 2 z square plus c. So z, the value of z is equal to cos x, z square is equal to cos square x, 1 by 2 cos square x plus c. Now I am going number, similarly number b, taking sin x is equal to z, taking sin x is equal to z. So cos x dx is dz by z5, z to the minus 5, you can already solve in this question number b. So I am going to solve vi, taking ln x is equal to z. Okay, I have done vi. You look vi is cos x square ln x by x. Cos x square ln x by x is equal to dx. It is a trigonometric function. Only numerator side is trigonometry, not denominator side. Denominator is a very algebraic. So in this not use x is as z, not taking x as z, because it is a trigonometric function. But numerator side is trigonometrical, but denominator side is not trigonometrical. If both numerator and denominator both are trigonometrical, then taking denominator as z. But in this case, only x is not a, it is an algebraic function. Put z is equal to ln x. You know, derivative of ln x is equal to, that is dx by x, 1 by x, dx is multiplied. So dx देखो, you look dx by x is equal to कितने dz, that is cos x square z dz. You already know cos x square z dz is equal to minus of cot z plus c, because the cos x square x dx is equal to minus cot x. So cos x square z dz is equal to minus cot z plus c. That is minus of cot, value of z is equal to ln x plus of c. It is very easy. That is very easy problem. You look, it is very easy problems. Now I am going to do about to b double I. The last problem of this experiment number 2, b double I. B double I, the last problem of this number 2. So that is b twice integration of root over 1 minus sin x into cos x. Root over of 1 minus of sin x into cos x dx. You look, some student taking sin x as t, but without root over taking t ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କହିଥିଲି root over case ରେ କହିଥିଲି ଡେରିଭେଟିଭ ରେ without root over ଛାଡି କି taking ନବ t ନବ put z equal to t नु t z ନବ put z is equal to 1 minus of sin x taking z is equal to 1 minus of sin x. So dz is equal to, since 1 is a constant, the derivative of constant is 0, but minus sin x is present. So minus sin x, the derivative of minus sin x is equal to minus of cos x dx. The presence of in the integration there were only cos x dx, so that is minus dz is equal to cos x dx. Cos x dx. So you put 1 minus sin x is equal to z. The root over of 1 minus sin x, that is root over root z, and cos x dx is equal to minus taking minus outside of the integration, like put dz. Root z means z upon half. After integration, z upon half plus 1, z upon half plus 1 divided by half plus 1, because the power of z is equal to half. Root z means plus c. That equal to minus of z to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. That plus c, that is equal to minus of 2 by 3 z to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Put the value of z. The value of z is equal to 1 minus sin x. That is minus of 2 by 3 z to the power, z means 1 minus of sin x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. That is your answer. That is your answer. So that is number 2 already completed. Now I am going to number 3. You look number 3. Number 3 is the number 1 and number 2. Special number 1 and number 2 both are based on trigonometrical functions. But after number 2, number 3 is purely algebraic. Number 4 is exponential functions, and number 5 is trigonometrical inverse functions, and number 6 also trigonometrical functions, and number 7 is both exponential and logarithm functions, and number 8 also trigonometrical functions. So you have faced many types, many trigonometrical functions in your books. Now I have solved some questions about number 3, because it is purely algebraic. Number 1 is given x square plus 3 derivative without root over taking as z already given. So I am not going down number I. Now I am going to down number 2i only. 2i, 3i and all others questions. Number 2i. Number 3, number 2i. Number 3 and 2i. The bit is 2i, number 3, because I already gave the substitute method, already gave substitute t or z already given. So now 7 integration of 7 dx by 2 minus 3x. 7 dx by 2 minus of 3x. You look where 7 is a constant, taking outside. 7 is taking outside of the integration. Dx by 2 minus of 3x. Put z is equal to 2 minus 3x. Put z is equal to 2 minus of 3x. You look dz. Derivative of z, 2 is constant, derivative 0. So minus of 3 dx. There present only dx. So minus 3 is divided in dz. That is minus of 1 by 3 dz is equal to dx. Instead of dx, dx बदले तो minus 1 by 3 dz बसे परिवो. So that is 7 dx जरा कौन बसे वो minus 1 by 3 minus of पदों ने जो minus of 1 by 3 7 ने minus 1 by 3 गुण देले minus 7 by 3 आएगा. That is dz by z. 2 minus 3x is equal to z. देखो एटी 7 थिला minus 1 by 3 multiply करो. 7 ने minus 1 by 3 multiply कले minus of 1 by 3 minus of 1 by 3 minus of 1 by 3 into 7, that is minus 7 by 3 dz by z. dz by z to integration of the ln z can, because dx by x to integration of the log x by ln x, that is minus of 7 by 3 ln z plus c. Put the value of z, minus of 7 by 3 ln z is equal to 2 minus of 3x plus of c. That is your answer. That's your answer. Number 3 is 2i. Number 3 2i. Now I am going number 3 3i. Number 3 3i also. number of 3 or 3i. Number 3 of bit 3i. Number 3 of bit 3i is equal to number 3 of 3i is given x by root over by x square minus a square root over. Integration of x by x square or minus a square root over dx. Similarly, taking z as denominator side without root over, put z is equal to without root over x square minus s square. So dz is equal to 2x dx, where a square is constant, the derivative is 0. Presence in this equation x dx, not 2x dx. So 2 is divided. dz by 2 is equal to x dx. हमें x dx बदले कौन बचेगा? dz by 2 बचेगा. So x dx अच्छी, x dx कौन बचेगा? dz by 2. 1 by 2 taking outside constant. So dz by root z, that is the root z. x square minus s square is z, so root over z. Z ऊपर half, ऊपर गले कितना हो? Half. Integration of z ऊपर minus half dz. Z ऊपर minus half dz is equal to half. Z ऊपर half minus half plus 1 is equal to half divided by half. 2 2 cancel है जो. आउटर कोई दूसरा कर. Z ऊपर हो जी minus half. एंड इंटीग्रेशन कर लो minus half plus 1. Minus half plus 1 that is half. Z ऊपर half divided by half. 2 2 cancel हो गया plus c. Z ऊपर half means root z. Z is equal to कितने? x square minus a square root over plus c. That's your answer. देखो z ऊपर half means root over x square minus a square. Z अर्थात root z. So z value, the value of z is equal to x square minus a square. So that is x square minus a root over plus c. That is answer. That is your answer of number 3i. Now number iv, you look this your books. Given z, put z is equal to x cube plus 3x plus 7 denominator side. Similarly, v in example v, x4 minus 3x square plus 1 is equal to z. Put z already there. Now I am solving some questions. Number okay, I have solved number 3 of v. Last bit of the number 3. Last bit of number 3, that is v. Integration of x4 minus 3x square plus 1. x4 minus 3x square plus 1 to the power 4 whole into is given whole into 2x cube minus 3x. 2x cube minus 3x dx. Taking the larger power as z, put z is equal to x4 minus 3x square plus 1. So dz is equal to x4 derivative, that is 4x cube minus 6x, 1 is a constant, the derivative 0 divided 2 both sides because 2x square minus 3x achi, divided 2 dz by 2 is equal to dx, that is 2x cube minus 3x dx. देखो 2x cube minus 3x dz बसेगा में dz by 2. So बसे जाओ, that is कौन होगा? That is integration, that is z value, that value is z, taking z that value. So z to the power of 4, 2x cube minus 3x whole into dx, that is equal to dz by 2, taking half outside, that is dz. The integration of z for, you already know, z for integration is equal to 1 by 2, z 5 by 5. 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 plus c. That is equal to 1 by 10, z to the power 5, z is equal to x4 minus 3x square plus 1 to the power 5 plus c. That is your answer of this question number 3b. Now I am going to number 4. Number 4 is only exponential functions. You look, all the problems are exponential functions. So a to the 3x, taking 3x as z. In the case of a derivative, I already told you, put in case of a derivative the power of the exponential function taking as z. In this case also same, the power of e from question I, first bit, it was 3x, taking 3x as z. Bit 2, it was 2x plus 7, taking 2x plus 7 as z. And 3i, I am going to just look in 3i, taking x by 3 as z. In iv, taking x cube as a z given, no, it only notebook given this, but a to the 2x I am going to do number v, number 4 v, Chanor v also exponential function because x is equal to a is the base is the a is constant, that is a to the 2x dx. You know the formula, integration of a to the x dx is equal to a to the x by ln a plus c. That is your formula. But it is 2x, so the power taking as the power as t, because it is exponential function taking power as t. Put z is equal to 2x, that is equal to dz is equal to 2 dx. We have only dx, so dz by 2 is equal to dx. a to 2x means a to z, dx चला करता dz by 2, 1 by 2 ta taking outside, a to z integration को देखो, a to z integration, that is integration of a to z is equal to half a to the z by ln a plus c, a to z, that is 1 by 2 ln a, that is a z, the value of z is equal to 2x, a to 2x plus c. That's your answer. Number 4v. It is very easy. You look, similarly vi given x square as z, so dz over 2x dx already given achi, but now I am going to done some problems. v2i taking tan x is equal to z, x square x dx already present, 2 tan x as z. Number v3 and ix I am going to do, v3i and ix, number 4, v3i and ix. v3i and ix. v3i, though v3i is given e to x by e to x minus 2 whole square dx. That is your question, I think. That is your question. Yes. Taking ex minus 2 is equal to z, put z is equal to e to the x minus 2. So dz कहता है वो ex derivative, that is ex derivative is equal to ex, 2 is constant, so ex dx. देखो ex dx already present in numerator side, that is dz by z square, because ex minus 2 is equal to z, that square is equal to z square. Z square अप्रूव कर कहता है z upper minus 2 dz. इंटीग्रेशन करते कहता है z upper minus 2 इंटीग्रेशन कर कहता है z upper minus 1 divided by minus 1, because minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c, that is minus of 1 by z plus of c. Put the value of z minus of 1 by e to x minus of 2 plus c. That is your answer. That's your answer of e to x by e to x minus 2 whole square. Now the last part of this number 4 is e to the cos square x into sin x. ये problem हम कर देंगे ix टा, because किसी hints नहीं. और number 5 टा only trigonometrical inverse functions. number 5 कर दवा. देखो number 4 और last part टा ix. देखो number ix, last of this number 4 ix. देखो ix देखो x टा ची e to the cos square x sin 2x dx, e to the cos square x sin 2x dx. I have told many times, the power of exponential function, the power of exponential part, that is the constant part, is taking z. So the power is, which is the power is cos square x, taking z, put z is equal to cos square x. Look, so dz taking derivative, cos square derivative कहता है cos x would z धर ले, the derivative 2 cos x, the derivative 2 cos x, and using chain rule, cos x derivative, that is minus of sin x into dx. देखा आउटर कोई दूसरी, taking cos x equal z, z square equal 2 cos x by 2z, put cos x equal z, so cos x derivative that is minus sin x, using chain rule, that is minus of 2 sin x into cos x dx. You already know 2 sin x cos x equal to sin 2x. So minus of sin 2x dx is equal to dz multiplied minus, because sin 2x not minus sin 2x is given in your problems. That is minus of dz is equal to sin 2x dx. So e to the power z sin 2x dx equal to minus dz, taking minus outside dz, e to the z, integration of e to the z is equal to e to the z minus of e to the z plus of c, that equal to minus of e to the z, the value of z is equal to cos square x plus c. That's your answer of number 4th bit, number last bit of the number 4. Now I am discussing about some inverse problems in your books 5i, 2i, 3i and iv, all of some things that I am going to do. Number 5. Number 5. Number 5i given, that is sin inverse x, that is given sin inverse x by root over 1 minus x square dx. If it is inverse functions, you look that if it is inverse function, the numerator part taking as z, put z ka lo numerator, that is numerator is sin inverse x, put z is equal to sin inverse x. So dz is equal to dx by sin inverse x, that is 1 by 1 minus x square, dx by 1 by 1 minus x square. So dx by 1 minus x square already present in this problem. So that is sin inverse x is equal to z, dx by 1 minus x square is equal to dz, z dz हो गला. देखो sin inverse x is equal to z, dx by 1 minus x square root over is equal to dz. So z dz, integration is equal to z square by 2 plus c, z over 1 अच्छी. So put z is equal to 1 by 2, z value that is sin inverse x whole square plus of c. You look similarly, number 3i. Number 3i is a sec inverse x, taking sec inverse x equal to z, dz is equal to dx by x root over x square minus 1 habo. Already solve this problem करि परिबो, किंतु number 2i टा मु करि दोछि, number 2i टा मु कर दोछि तुमको. देखो number 2i टा केमिति करिवो, how to solve number 2i. number 2i देखो, number 2i है dx by integration over dx by 1 minus of x minus of 1 no square रो root over. देखो put x minus 1 is equal to z, put x minus of 1 is equal to z. So dz is equal to कितना हो, dz टा कितना हो dx हो, because x dx minus 1 टा 0. So dz is equal to dx. ताले देखो क्वेश्चन कौन वाला, that is dz by 1 minus of z square root over. You already know d by dx of sin inverse x, that is कितने 1 by 1 minus of x square root over. So integration of 1 by 1 minus x square integration का कितना हो, that is कितना हो sin inverse x plus c. So dz by 1 minus z square integration का कितना हो, that is sin inverse z plus of c. Put the value of z, z is equal to x minus 1, sin inverse x minus 1 plus c. That's your answer. Very easy. It is very easy. Similarly, number iv, taking ln x is equal to z. देखो number iv and v I already solved. Number iv and v also solved. Panchano iv is equal to given integration of dx by x whole into 1 plus of ln x square. देखो taking put ln x is equal to z, put ln x is equal to z. That implies dz is equal to dx by x, because ln x no derivative is d1 by x, dx by x. dx by x already present. Instead of dx by x, you put dz, that value. Dx by x is equal to dz. Dz by 1 plus z square. You already know the formula. Dx by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x. Because tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. So you put dz by 1 plus z square is equal to tan inverse z plus c. Put the value of z. Z is your ln x. Tan inverse ln x plus c. That is your answer of number 5. Number 5, that is number 5. IV, I think number 5. Oh, IV, that is the IV. That question number 5, IV. Now, that's all answer, that's answer. So now I am going to last bit, that is V. I am going to done the V. You look V. Last part of the number 5, that is V. V is equal to dx by, देखो, dx by x square plus or 2x plus 2. The denominator side taking full square form. In a square form, I am taking square form. Look, dx, that is 1 plus x square plus or 2x plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. You know x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 whole square. So dx by 1 plus x plus 1 whole square. You look, x plus 1 whole square is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. Put x plus 1 is equal to z. Put x plus 1 is equal to z. So dz is equal to dx. dz is equal to dx. Instead of dx बदला मैं बसेगा dz बसे परिवा. dz is equal to 1 plus z square. dz by 1 plus z square ठीक है रूपा चल dz by 1 plus z square tan inverse x. So dz by 1 plus z square is equal to कहता है tan inverse z plus c. The value of z is equal to x plus 1. Put the value of z जाएगा कौन बसेगा x plus 1 tan inverse x plus 1 plus c. That is number 5. Already complete number 5. Number 5 तो सब तो problem है गला.